सो अब यो च्याप्टरमा चाहिँ a question दिएको हुन्छ, you'll get a question and त्यसलाई चाहिँ you have to frame it into a quadratic equation and then solve it. Let's say if you go to your textbook question exercise 6a question number 1, the product of two consecutive integers is 56. So the question is product of two consecutive integers is 56. Find the integers. Okay, so they have said that product of two consecutive integers is 56. So the good thing about this question here, keep on consecutive. This term is very important. Consecutive means if one of my number is 4, it can be the next consecutive will be 5, or if my number was 3, the consecutive was 4. So our consecutive, this your consecutive keyword ले एकदम simplify करे. Okay, how does it simplify? Like if you choose a number, let's say the answer is 10, the next consecutive of 10 is 11, right? So your answer will be 10 and 11. So now in this question we don't know the answer as 10 and 11, so we have to find what the answer is. So we assume it to be, let's say, let one integer be x. Okay, so one of the integer is x, you know that. So what will be the next integer? It will be x plus 1, right? Because product of two consecutive ones. So consecutive means one right after the other. So if one is x, other one will be x plus 1. Now product is given. Product means multiplication. So this keyword is like multiplication keyword. So x into x plus 1 equal to 56. It's a question mark. Product of two consecutive integers is 56. So if you multiply the two integers, you should get 56. So I did the same thing. First integer is x, second integer is x plus 1. When I multiply it, I get 56. So my bracket khulchu, x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x equal to 56. So you get x square plus x minus 56 equal to 0. Now this looks like a quadratic equation, and you can solve it using the formula x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this becomes minus b. So a is 1 here, 1. B is also 1. C is minus 56. So b is 1 plus minus under root b square is 1 squared. 1 squared is 1 minus 4 into a is also 1. C is minus 56 divided by 2 into 1. This becomes minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus into minus is plus plus 56 into 4 is 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 22, 224 divided by 2. This becomes minus 1 plus minus under root 225 divided by 2. So 225 square root is 15. So your x becomes minus 1 plus minus 15 divided by 2. So x is either minus 1 plus 15 by 2 or minus 1 minus 15 by 2. So minus 1 plus 15 is 14 by 2. This becomes minus 16 by 2. 2 7s are 14 or minus 8. So your x is either x is 7. So x is 7 or x is minus 8. So if x is 7, the next number is 8. If x is minus 8, the next number is minus 7. Why did I take both the cases? Your product say 56 भन्दैछ. So your product is 56. So 56 can either be got by multiplying 7 into 8 or minus 7 into minus 8. So दुईटा multiply गर्दा 56 आउँछ किनभने minus into minus plus हो. So x can be either 7 8. I mean x and the next number can be 7 8. And it can also be minus 8 minus 7. Okay? बुझेन? Is it understandable? Can you understand this? 1 second. Okay, so if you बुझ्यो भने मलाई च्याटमा यस लेख्दा हुन्छ. बुझेन भने I can explain again. Okay, so we move on to the next question. We'll practice some easy questions first. So the second question is something like this. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 41. So the question says sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 41. Now you are told to find the two numbers. So the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. So again, the number can be x and x plus 1 because it is one natural number and the next natural number. यहाँ चाहिँ भन्दैछ sum of the squares. So first you square it, then you find the sum. So according to the question, x square plus x plus 1 square is 41. As simple as that. Sum of squares of two consecutive natural number is 41. So you can write x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 41. So what you can do now is you can expand this a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 41. So x square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x. Then you bring the 41 to the other side. It becomes 1 minus 41 plus 1 minus 41 equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x. 1 minus 41 is minus 40 equal to 0. Now you can use the quadratic formula directly here. So the quadratic formula is, so before that, a is 2, b is also 2, c is minus 40. So using in the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus on the root, b square is 2 square minus 4 into a into minus 40 divided by 2 into 2. This becomes minus 2 plus minus on the root 4, minus into minus is plus, 4 to the 8, 8 for the 32 divided by 4. Okay, now this becomes minus 2 plus minus on the root 324 divided by 4. Now 324 can be a square root of a number. So if you don't know what number it is, so you can use the long division method that I taught you. So you can use the long division method. So you know the long division method is 3 2 4. Take this way, and I had told you that you have to group it in like twos. So you have to start from the point this way. So you have to start grouping from the right towards the left. Okay, so our long division line. So what is the number that when multiplied with itself will give a number 3 or less than 3? So if you multiply 2 into 2, it becomes 4. So that will not be the case. So it will be 1 into 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you add 1 here. This becomes 2. You bring the 24 down. So 2 and a number x multiplied by that x should give you 224 or less. So if you try 224 into 4, 4 for the 16, 4 to the 8, 96. This is small. 2 8 into 8, 8 is the 64, 8 to the 16, 16 6 22, 224. So you are exactly getting it as 28, 8 is the 224, is 0 0 0. So it is the square root of 18 minus 2 plus minus 18 divided by 4, which can also be written as x is either minus 2 plus 18 by 4 or minus 2 minus 18 by 4. So this is 18 minus 2 is 16 by 4 or minus 20 by 4. So your number is 4 4s are 16 or minus 5. So x can be 4 or minus 5. So the consecutive numbers are x equal to 4 and x plus 1 is 5, or x equal to minus 5, x plus 1 equal to minus 4. So this is your answer. But question it is specified that it is natural numbers. So you know what is a natural number? So natural number is all the counting numbers that we have, 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative, this cannot be included because minus 5, minus 4 are not counting numbers. You don't count anything as I have minus 4 pen or I have minus 5 pen. That is never used. So the answer will only be the first part. The first part the answer huncha, which is either 4 or 5. I mean, not, it is 4 and 5. So the sum of squares of these two numbers is how much? It should be 41. Like if we try it, it becomes 4 square plus 5 square should be equal to 41. 16 plus 25 equal to 41. So 20, 30, 41 equal to 41. Proved. So the two numbers are 4 and 5. I think this is clear. Not that difficult to follow. Khali our this long division. If you did not know the value of 324 square root, that is 18, you have to use the long division method to find the number. That is the only thing you need to do. Okay, so these are relatively easy questions. So we'll do number 3 again. We'll continue with that same flow. Find the two natural numbers which differ by 5. So the question is, find two natural numbers. So we have natural numbers. So we can clearly say that these are counting numbers which differ by 5. Differ by 5. And the sum of whose squares is 97. Sum of squares is 97. So we have natural numbers. Here they are not consecutive. It is said that it is not consecutive. Wait, do you have any questions? Okay. So it is said that it is said that they differ by 5. They are not consecutive. Your case ma chai consecutive bhaneko, it was, if it was x, it would be x plus 1. But now it is clearly stated that they differ by 5. So if one number is x, other number will be x plus 5, because they are differing by 5. They have a difference of 5 between them. And it is said that the sum of squares is 97. So if you square and add them, it will be 97. So you can do something like this. So you can do something like x square plus x plus 5 whole square equal to 97. This is what the question says. There are two natural numbers which differ by 5, and whose sum of square is 97. What does it? So you got it. So this becomes x square plus, you again expand this, a square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 25 equal to 97. X square plus 10x plus 25 equal to 97. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 97 equal to 0. 2x square plus 10x. So 97 minus 25 is 72. It will be minus 72 equal to 0. So now you can use the formula again. So but before that we have to find a is 2, b is 10, c is minus 72 again. So you can use the formula x equal to minus b, b is 10, plus minus under root b square, 10 times 100, minus 4 into a into minus 72 divided by 2 into 2. यो हुन्छ minus 10 plus minus under root 100, minus into minus is plus, 4 to the 8, 8 into 72, 8 to the 16, 7 7 the 7 is 56, 57, 576 divided by 4, minus 10 plus minus under root 676 divided by 4. Long division अब 676 under root छ यहाँ. So अगर तिमीहरुलाई 676 को रुट याद छैन भने, so सिधै 676 को long division गर्यो. So अब दुईटाको ग्रुप बनायो. You have to start from the right, make groups to the left. So group of 2, then only one left, so 1. So कुन चाहिँ नम्बर आफैलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा, if you multiply that number to itself, 6 या त 6 भन्दा कम्ती दिन्छ. So 3 into 3 becomes 9. So this is not a number. So it is 2 into 2. that is 4. You get 2 as the remainder. Bring down 2 and add it here. That's 4. Bring down 76 here. So our kun number यहाँ multiply गर्दा it becomes 276. So we can try with 44 into 4. 4 4 is a 16. 4 4 is a 16, 17, 176. No. 46 into 6, 6 6 is 36. 6 4 is a 6 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27. Exactly 276. So 46, 6 is 276 becomes 0 0 0. So this is the square root of 26 divided by 4. So x can either be minus 10 plus 26 by 4 or minus 10 minus 26 by 4. So x is it is 16 by 4 or minus 36 by 4. So x is 4 4 are 16 or minus 9. So but I mean, like question mark, it is said that it is a natural number. So it is a natural number. So if your number is a natural number, you can directly exclude this one. Your minus 9 will not be included. So therefore x is equal to 4 and this is omitted, omitted. You don't need to cancel like this. You just need to write omitted on in the bracket. Omitted because we know that the x is a natural number, x natural number, so you omit hunchai huncha. So if x is 4, the next number has a difference of 5. So the next number is x plus 5. We had already given the number. So if first number is 4, second number is 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So when you multiply the squares of this number, you get 97. So if you do 4 square plus 9 square, you should get 97. So 4 4 is a 16 plus 9 9 is a 81 equal to 97. So 80 97 equal to 97. This is how you do it. Okay. So we have a similar question at 5. So 5 is your homework. So two natural numbers differ by 3. Find the numbers if the sum of their reciprocal is 7 by 10. Sum of their reciprocal. So here I'll give you a hint. So if the first number is x, other number is x plus 3. Now sum of their reciprocal 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3 equal to 7 by 10. So they have given this equation. Sum of their reciprocal is 7 by 10. So now you need to find the LCM here, solve it and find x. That is your work. Question number 5. I'll do one more type of question in this chapter. In my book it is question number 6. It is divide 15 into 2 parts such that the sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10. Very simple question, but you have to know how to solve it. So divide 15 into 2 parts. So we have to break 15 into 2 parts. So agar मैले first part लाई let first part be, this is the answer, let first part be x. So if your first part is x, second part will be 15 minus x. Question was divide 15 into 2 parts such that the sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10 भन्दैछ. So 15 लाई we need to divide into 2 parts. So अगर मैले one part x हो भने other part will be 15 minus x. That यो मैले example ले भनिहालेँ. So अगर 15 को एउटा part अगर 5 हो भने अर्को 10 हुन्छ, किनभने 10 plus 5 15 हुनु पर्यो. यसलाई कसरी निकाल्दा हुन्छ, 5 भने अर्को हो 15 minus 5 जुन चाहिँ 10 हो हैन. So sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10 भन्दैछ. So their reciprocal is 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x अनि यो दुईटाको सम चाहिँ 3 by 10 हो भन्दैछ. So 1 by x, यो x को reciprocal 1 by x, यो यसको reciprocal is 1 by 15 minus x, and when you add it you get 3 by 10. So if your LCM will be x 15 minus x, then now our LCM, you know how to do LCM. If this x is already there, so 15 minus x भयो, and if 15 minus x is already there, so plus x equal to 3 by 10. So this becomes minus x plus x cancels. So माथि खाली 15 उब्रियो, मुनि हुन्छ x 15 minus x equal to 3 by 10. So this 10 comes here. 15 into 10 is 150 equal to 3x times 15 minus x. अब the bracket open गरे भने 150 equal to 15 3 is 45x minus 3x squared. Okay, I opened the bracket with 3x. Okay, so मैले 3x square लाई उता लगे, this becomes 3x square minus 3x square लाई उता लगे, it becomes 3x square. Take this to the other side as well, minus 45x plus 150 equal to 0. Okay, अब यो गरेपछि you can use the formula, straight up formula is, first you need to decide what A, B, and C is. A is 3, B is minus 45, C is 150. So you can use the formula minus B. So minus B, so what is minus of minus 45 plus minus under root. B squared is again minus 45 squared minus 4 into A into C divided by 2 into A. So now what you can do is 45 plus minus under root 45. So if you don't know what 45 square is, you can just multiply 45 into 45. But 45 square is a value that I think it is important for you to know. It's not necessary. It is T2025. This one is, which one is 3? So yeah, so this one is minus, and this will be 150 into 4. 154 is 600. 600 into 3 is 1800 divided by 3 to the 6. This will be 45 plus minus under root 2025 minus 1800. So I'll write the value here. 2025 minus 1800. 2025 minus 1800 is 225. 225 divided by 6. So this becomes 45 plus minus 225 root is 15 divided by 6. So x can either be 45 plus 15 by 6 or 45 minus 15 by 6. So this is 45 plus 15 is 60. 60 by 6 or 30 by 6. So 6 tens are 60 or 6 fives are 30. So your answer can be either 10. So x can be 10 or 5. So divide 15 into two parts such that the sum of their reciprocal is 3 and 10. So if your x is 10, your other part will be 15 minus 10. So your other part will be 5. So if your x is 5, your other part will be 15 minus 5, that is 10. So your answer is 10 and 5 or 5 or 10, which is basically the same. So it's the question, sir. You have to do it this way. Finding the reciprocals, you have to form a equation, quadratic equation, then quadratic equation solve garnu paryo. Okay.